Okay, welcome back to my video again, to the next video we have. So this is of exercise. I forgot the exercise. Yes, we are just doing to be continue. Exercise 8.1, page number 6167 of Vedanta Axel. We are solving the quadratic equations by factorization method. Now, so in the previous video we did 9a. Yes, 9a and 9b, they both are same. So I've done 9a there. You can just look the video of previous ones also. Okay, I'm just making the camera set up. Okay, so I think it's good. Okay, so in the previous video I did 9 number. Yes, definitely the 9 number. So now 9a and 9b both are same. Now we are going to do number 10a. So let's see 10a. You see the questions on the left hand side. Okay, 10a. So I've written there the questions. The number of handshaking is given by at x is equals to x bracket x minus 1 divided by 2. So this at x represents the number of handshaking. Yes, and this x represents, actually this x represents, this x represents the number of handshakings, and this x represents the number of people there. Okay, so the thing here is explained where each person shakes the hands with other people exactly once, only one time. Okay, if a group of people makes 45 handshakings, so if a group of people, so there are so many people, and those people makes 45 handshakings, it means the value of x is 45 handshakings in the meeting. How many people are there in the party? So x represents the number of people and x represents the number of handshakings. Now from that data we have to find out the number of people in the party. So for here we have given as x. Now as x represents number of handshakings. Number of handshakings. Okay, as x represents, I'll just write this in bracket like this. Number as x means number of handshakings. That is, we have how many handshakings? 45 handshakings. Now here x represents actually the variable x represents number of people in the party. Okay, so we have to find the value of x. So how many people in the party? How many people in the party? Yes, x represents the number of people in the party. We have to find x equals to 1. This is the answer. This is the this is the value that we have to find. Here we have you see there, as x equals to x minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so what is the value of at x? At x represents number of handshakings, that is 45. Replace the value of at x by 45. So we have already x. You just multiply this, x square minus x. So we got 2 here. Now to multiply this 45, it becomes 90. X square minus x. Let's move 90 to the other side. Let's here be 0. X square minus x minus 90 it becomes. Yes, now it is a quadratic equations. Now you can solve. You choose the factors of 90 that difference, the difference of that factors makes 1. So what will be the So very easy. 9 tens are 90. 10 minus 9, that is 1. Where does my marker go now? Okay, wait a minute. It slipped out from my hand. It just got slipped from my hand. That's the best marker that I have. Okay. It's not even small, and where did it go? Okay, I got it here. Now, you just factorize. X squared minus, you can write x here, factors of 90, that difference makes 1 there. 10 nines are 90, 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, I'm doing here without skipping any steps, so it would be easy for you to understand. X squared minus 10x plus 9x minus 90 is equals to 0, or x minus 10 plus 9 x minus 10, or x minus 10 common and inside 0, or so now you can do either or. In the RHS we get the equate these factors with the RHS, which is 0. So now you can do either or. Either x minus 10 equals to 0, or x equals to 10, or x plus 9 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 9. So the number of people, you have never heard of a number of people being in a minus. Okay, there are minus 9 people, minus 9. No, we can't the number of people can't be expressed in minus sign. Okay, so if the value come in minus sign while representing the number of people, or any scalar quantity, so we reject that. You must reject this. The reason why, because you will never hear a number of people in minus. Okay, for example, there are you never heard about there are minus 3 people there. Okay, have you ever heard about? No. So number of people can never be expressed in minus sign, so that's why we reject the minus number. So x equals to minus 9, we just reject. Now here x equals to 10, we accept this. Therefore there are 10 people in the party. So this is done. So just like 10a, you can also do number so just like 10a, you can also do number what we call that, number 10b also, the same, in the same way. So I hope you understand. I hope you like this video. I hope I am able to make you clear that. Okay, if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give the thumbs up to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this for today. Now stay blessed. Cheers.